At the intersection of AI and chip technology, the Department of Engineering Science at National Cheng Kung University, NCKU, is developing next-generation advanced packaging and smart design systems. The team led by Assistant Professor Chi-Hua of the Department of Engineering Science at NCKU has developed an innovative AI model application tool for advanced packaging. This tool utilizes generative AI to simulate the chip system environment, enabling the production of high-precision solutions at high-speed computation without the need for establishing a massive database.
The manufacturing process of 3D ICs and traditional ICs is highly complex, demanding extensive consideration of physics, material science, and the precise geometry of these complex systems. Therefore, we can no longer rely on conventional approaches such as experiments or traditional simulation methods. That's why we are employing generative AI to clearly define the next step for the design's evolution. Sometimes we can fully anticipate the difficulty that will arise during the design process. This is why we need our generative AI model to learn exactly how engineers approach packaging design, IC design, and circuit design. Our model ensures a balanced and superior design outcome across the entire system. The difficulties we face in design are sometimes due to material limitation, and other times they come from limits of the design approaches. We have no choice but to modify the manufacturing process. In addition, our design tool, similar to the AI that learns Go, is trained to replicate the engineer's design process. This system offers the dual benefit of rapid design and powerful prediction. By combining these trends, we can help engineers in their industry gain a significant competitive edge in the market.
This AI model maintains an accuracy of over 97%, even without relying on a massive dataset. The technology has been validated through verification with domestic packaging companies and the Industrial Technology Research Institute, ITRI. In the future, it will be further integrated into electronic and semiconductor manufacturing processes to promote intelligent transformation.
We adopt this approach to that AI learned design strategies within a digital twin environment, essentially treating the optimization process like a game. The system provides multiple optimal designs, giving engineers a predictive advantage, need to eliminate trial and error in choosing materials, structures, and manufacturing sequence. During the testing process, we gain an early understanding of the product's final state. This significantly boosts the efficiency and success rate in R&D. Consequently, engineers gain the clearest perspective on the on-site issue, which problem current tools can solve, and how employees need to address emerging truth. What are its core advantages, and how quickly can it master the necessary tools? Moreover, this presents an excellent opportunity to tackle such complex problems from a cross-disciplinary perspective. Particularly in the field of advanced packaging, the work inherently cross-disciplinary, encompassing physics, material and structure design, electronic circuit design, and the application of IC itself. Furthermore, it involves numerous subsequent challenges. Dealing with this problem requires cross-disciplinary thinking, as well as the skill to combine different tools from various fields to find solutions.
Advanced packaging smart design systems are becoming a critical driving force for the semiconductor industry as it moves toward the future. By utilizing intelligent design processes, they not only significantly accelerate the product development cycle but also establish a strong, reliable hardware foundation for emerging applications like AI and HPC. This represents a key achievement of co-creation among academia, research, and industry.
We aim to establish an AI-driven platform for the unified integration of all tools. Moreover, we maintain extensive international cooperations. We are building connections throughout Southeast Asia, including Singapore, Malaysia, and the Philippines. We are also members of a Wafer-on-Wafer Alliance in Japan and are integrating our research with other global partners. In addition to industrial applications, we are also actively expanding our focus into academia and international corporations. We hope this tool can significantly assist engineers working in industry applications, particularly those involved in the design stage, including IC design. With the application of AI, everything is moving toward intelligent automation, and there will be constant effort in minimize labor cost. Given this shift, what is the optimal balance point where we retain human creativity and effectively manage labor efforts? Taiwan is playing a pivotal role in the current wave of growth. We are particularly looking forward to seeing outstanding examples of AI implementation moving from everyday life into practical real-world field application. We look forward to an AI-driven future where the technology is integrating into every corner of life, enabling everyone to gain a clearer understanding. The key question is how to best utilize this tool to solve our current problem and establish a point of balance for everyone's daily life. This is the future that I find highly intriguing and worth anticipating.